1, 2, 3. Perfect. Okay, I like the skin. It looks good. It looks good.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Perfect. Let me get full body. Perfect. That. Perfect. Go ahead and like mess with your hair again. I'm gonna take like some face shots. Perfect. I love it. Perfect. Perfect. Got it. Go ahead and mess with, use your hands and like put it around your face while I take a few more. Yeah, exactly. Perfect. Perfect. Bet. And oh, that's nice. With that hand right there, put it right here. Yeah. Perfect. Beautiful. Let's do back towards me. Look above your shoulder. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Perfect. Beautiful. Good. Let's do like a triangle. Uh-huh. Yes, exactly. Perfect. Beautiful. Oh, let's hold that. Let me get like a close-up. Got it. Perfect. Yep. Perfect. Let's do a leg cross. And then let's do a, come on man. We can do that too. Beautiful. Beautiful. And go ahead and, yeah. Beautiful. Yes, that's nice. Perfect. Nice. Got it. Back. Let's go. I don't want you to sit just yet. Let's do a leg up on here. Come more on this side. Probably put it like this. Come more on this side though. Be careful. Do the other leg. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. 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 I love it. I love it. Super nice. A little close up. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah, we'll do some knees. Yep. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Let me get like a side angle. Perfect. I love it. Now go ahead and just drop your butt to the sand. Beautiful. Beautiful. I love it. Perfect. Perfect. That's nice. Perfect. Nice, nice, nice.
Oh wow, that's hot. That's like calendar. Oh yeah. Oh, those are nice. Oh yeah.
Let's do a sit on your butt real quick. And go ahead and put this leg underneath this one. Yeah, exactly. One. This side. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. If it gets too bright, it's fine. You can close your eyes. Get the sun in your eye and shit. Let's do. Go ahead and put both legs out. And do like a tippy toes. Perfect. Yep, exactly. I'm gonna get like a side angle. Perfect. If you want to, go ahead and act like you're blocking the sun. Perfect. I love it. Yes. I'm gonna get closer. Yep, yep, yep. And then let's do that knee one. Where you like on your knee. Like you're about to do a split or something. Face like, yeah, that way. Yeah. Switch legs, yeah. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Hold that. I'm gonna like scan around you, get different angles. Perfect. Bet. I'm gonna get full body. 1, 2, 3. Perfect.